Try to do this video very quickly because I have a lot to do, and today and tomorrow are the only days for this deal. Okay, so I paid $2.75 for all of this. Okay, my total came up to $10, but after coupons my total was $2.75. This is from Dollar General. There's a coupon for this. This is $4.50. There's a $2 coupon for this, so it'll take $2 off of that. This is the Swiffer Wet, and this is $4.50 as well. There's this one that's $4.50, and there's another one that's $4.50, and the other one has 12 in it. This one only has 10 because it's heavy duty. So there's a coupon for $2 off of $4.50 also. This right here, this bag of cat food was $1, but there's a coupon for $1.25 off, so you'll have an overage, so that extra 25 cents will go towards what you have to pay for this. Today and tomorrow, which is, what is today's date? Oh gosh, April 11th, I think. April 11th and April 12th. Those are the only 2 days that this particular coupon that I'm about to tell you about is valid. The coupon takes $2 off a $10 purchase. So you clip the $2 off a $10 purchase. You clip the $2 coupon for this. Clip the $2 coupon for this. And clip the $1.25 coupon for that. Your total is going to come up to $10. Once it takes off all 4 coupons, there's 4 coupons. $1.25, $2, $2. Then your total is going to be $2.75, which is not bad at all. This is for dusting. It's a mini kit. It has a handle. It has a little duff ruffle things. And it comes with 5 dusters. And you're only getting that for $2.50. Less than $2.50, because once it takes the additional $2 off, it brings it much cheaper. Okay, I don't know how good you can see there, but you see Swiffer, it took $3 off of the duster, and then it took another $3 off for the Swiffer Wet, and then it took $1.25 off for the cat food, and my total came up to $2.75. You cannot beat that. On to the next deal. If you have a baby, it's still a pretty decent deal. Okay, so this pack of Loves was $2. It's wipes. And this pack of diapers was $8.50. Okay, there's a $2 coupon for the Huggies. And there's a 50-cent coupon for the Loves. You can either get Loves or Pampers wipes. Either one, it'll take 50 cents off. Okay, so with the $2 off of this and the 50 cents off of this, there is the coupon that I explained to you before. It is $2 off of a $10 purchase. So $8.50, $2 equals $10.50. So it took a $2 off of this, 50 cents off of this, and an additional $2 off, and that brought my total to $6, which is not bad before taxes. $6. So there it is, $8.50. It took $2 off, then it took $1.61 off, then it took 50 cents off of 2 for the wipes, and then an additional 39 cents. $6 I don't feel like it's all that bad. I like to compare prices, so what I did was I went on Walmart.com to see how much these were there, and if I bought them from Walmart, and Walmart does not have digital coupons, they would have been $7.99, $8, and I paid a total of $4.89 just for the pack of diapers. See, $8.50 subtract 2 subtract 161 is $4.89. So that's not bad. It's not bad at all. And these are like $1 for that. So hope this quick little video was helpful. And also the cat food the coupon for that is very hard to find. So I'm going to leave a link in the description so that if you can't find it on your own, you could just hit the link and it'll take you straight to it. There's also coupons on there for dogs. If you have a dog, there's coupons for dog food as well.